Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Lahaina, local and long distance movers near me. Moving long distances to and from Lahaina, 3 Movers will not let you down. Your move will be handled by trained movers with years of expertise in the moving industry to handle your personal belongings with great care. Aside from that, the excellent service we provide is reasonable from a price point of view. 3 Movers is a full-service moving company that can handle all of your relocation needs. Both local and long-distance moves can be accommodated by us. Local moving implies covering short distances up to 100 miles. If you're relocating from one city to another, for example, you deserve to help one of the top moving companies in the game. Here's where 3 men and a truck comes in. We also specialize in long-distance moves, offering moving services that represent a wide region. This might entail migrating across state lines or perhaps abroad. Long-distance moves need specific equipment and well-trained personnel. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lahaina moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.